Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to cookie business leads. Suppose I am having a cookie shop and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati, through which I want to send WhatsApp template message to my Facebook leads. If you want, you can also take any other application such as Interact or AI Sensei. Now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp template message to all our Facebook leads for our cookie business. So let's suppose I'm having a bakery in which I am selling cookies for Christmas, and I'm also using Facebook lead ads to promote my business. Now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for my cookie business, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead informing about the discount offers I have for them this Christmas. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp, and in order to create this automation, we are going to integrate Facebook lead ads with Vati in order to send WhatsApp template messages to our Facebook leads automatically. Now for creating this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by tapping pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options over here: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. And this is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders over here in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating folders on this dashboard, you can save your workflows accordingly. Now, to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for cookie business. Okay. Now, after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save our workflow. So from the drop down here, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and now we'll click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. The trigger here says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. And therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Let's say here we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send WhatsApp template message in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our cookie business, the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that same response, a WhatsApp message should be sent by using Vati to our new lead. So when we are receiving the response of Facebook leads, then only the WhatsApp message is being sent. Therefore, here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger. Now, after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, that is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it, and now we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So here we are going to select new lead instant as our trigger event, and now we are going to click on connect. Now here from the given options, I am going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook lead ads account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. After selecting this, we have to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Let's do that. And automatically our authorization has become successful. Since I was already logged into my Facebook account, my authorization has become successful very easily, and now my Facebook lead ads account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making up the connection with Pabbly Connect. Now let's move further, and here we have to enter two details. First of all, we have to select our Facebook page and then we have to select our lead gen form associated with that page. Now, in order to understand this, let me take you towards my Facebook account. And this is the page named as More Than Bakery, which I have created for my cookie business. And I want to promote this business with the help of lead gen form, which I have created by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated for my cookie business with the lead gen form, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we will have to select our page. So let's select the page. My page is More Than Bakery. So I'm going to select it. And now after selecting the page, the next thing which we have to do is we have to select the lead gen form which we have created. So I have 3 options over here. Among these options, I want to select this new lead form, as I want that whenever a new lead will be generated with this form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now after selecting the page and the form, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we have done that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now what does this mean? This means that now we have to do a test submission by submitting this form which we have selected over here, so that the response of that form could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, let me take you towards Meta for Developers. And now we have to go towards My Apps. After coming on My Apps, here we can find the option of Tools. Let's select it. And it is going to take us towards Developer Tools. Now under Other Developer Tools, we can find the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. So let's select it. And it has taken us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. Now, this tool is going to help us in order to test our integration between Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. So what we are going to do with the help of this testing tool, we are going to submit the form over here. And when we will submit the form, the test response will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now, because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page for my cookie business, I am using this Lead Ads Testing tool to test my integration by submitting the form. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign for your business, then as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting the lead gen form which you have created, automatically the response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now let's test our integration. First of all, let us select the page, and my page is More Than Bakery. I have selected it, and now here we can find that automatically the form associated with this page is already selected over here. So we'll click on preview form to open it. But before that, it is given that if you want to create a new lead, you will first have to delete your existing lead from here. So we'll click on this delete lead button, and once the lead is deleted, we have to refresh this page once so that we can open a new form. Okay, so again we will have to select the page and the form. Okay, so this is very important step. Once we will delete the existing lead from the form, we have to refresh the page so that a new form could be open in front of us. Okay, so let us click on preview form, and we can find that the form is open in front of us. And this is a contact form which I have created for sending updates to my customers. So whenever a person is going to fill this form and submit it, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that person informing about the special discounts I have for them for my cookie business. Okay, so here I'm going to enter the details in this form, and because I'm doing a test submission, here I'm going to enter dummy details. So let's start with the full name. So let's start with the name. So here I'm going to enter the name, let's say as demo user, a random email, and at last a random phone number. After entering all the details, let's click on next, and we'll submit the form. After submitting the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received the response. So as soon as we have submitted the form in Lead Ads Testing tool, here is the response. In response, we have received all the details which we have entered, full name, email, and the phone number. Now, as we have received this response, that means we have successfully integrated our lead gen form with Pabbly Connect. And now whenever a new lead will be generated by submitting the form, the response of that lead will be captured here automatically. So we will move further, and now by using this response, we are going to send WhatsApp messages to the same lead which is generated. Okay, so let's move towards our action step. And in our action application, here because I am using Wati in order to send WhatsApp template messages, I am going to connect Wati with Pabbly Connect. So in our action application, I am going to select Wati over here, and now we will select the action event. Now my action event will be send template message. Let's click on connect. And now from the given options, again I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with my Wati account. If you want, you can also go with your existing connection. As we have clicked on add new connection, here we have to enter 2 details, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find both the details, for that the instructions are provided to us here. We just have to go towards our Wati dashboard, and then we have to click on API docs, and there we will find both the details. So let me take you towards my Wati account, and we will go towards API docs. And here are both the details. So first of all, let us copy the API endpoint, and we will paste it over here. And the next is access token. So again, we will copy the access token, and we will quickly paste it over here. Done. In the same manner, you have to find API endpoint and access token from your Wati account. Let's click on save to connect it. And with this, our Wati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. We will move further, and here we have to enter the details in these fields in order to send the WhatsApp template message. First of all, it is asking us the WhatsApp number on which we want to send the message. So what is our motive? Our motive is to send WhatsApp template messages to our Facebook leads. Here I have received the number of my Facebook leads in my earlier response. I am going to use the same details over here in order to map the data. So what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from our previous step. So we can find our previous step is given over here. When we will select that, all the details are here. So whatever data we want, we can simply select that and it will be mapped automatically. So I want to map the number. Number is given over here. As we have selected it, it is mapped. So why we have mapped this number instead of entering it manually? Because we want that as soon as a new Facebook lead will be generated and the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically the data in this field should get replaced with a new number of that new person. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Okay, now after mapping the number, we will move further, and the next thing which we have to enter here is the template name. In order to understand this, again I'm going to take you towards my Wati account and we will go towards template section. So here are multiple templates which I have created for different purposes, and in order to send WhatsApp messages to my cookie business leads, I have created this template named as Cookie Business. So I am going to open it and show you. So this is the template. Name of the template is Cookie Business. The category is marketing and the language which I have selected is English. And the broadcast title which I have used here is the name of my bakery, Homemade Cookies. And this is the preview of the message. So whatever you are going to select in your broadcast title is going to be shown in the header of your message in bold. If you want, you can also use an image along with this message. When you will select the broadcast title, type as image. Okay, so in the message I have typed, hello name, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. This Christmas enjoy 60% off on special homemade cookies. Apply code Christmas20 for extra 20% off. Thank you. So this is the simple message which I have used here in order to show you how the template is created. So here in the place of name, I have used one variable. So wherever in the template you will use variable, the detail of that place will get replaced with each and every response. So here, because I have used variable for name, with each and every response, the name is going to be replaced according to new leads. And in this way, we can customize the template message for sending the same template to different people. Now, I have used only one variable over here. You can use multiple variables as you want. After entering the variable, you also have to provide a sample content for the variable which you have used. Here, as you can find, I have used the variable for name. So I have provided the sample content for name. So here we have to provide the value which we are going to use in the place of variable. It is not required to be exact always. You can also provide dummy details over here. Okay, now if you want, you can also attach a footer line along with this message by using this footer option and even a call to action button. Once you will create your template, you also have to send it for approval, and when it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp messages to multiple people. As my template Cookie Business is approved, I'm going to use it in order to send WhatsApp messages to my Cookie Business leads. So let us select the name of the template, Cookie Business. Done. In the same manner, you have to select the name of your template from the drop down, and the next thing which we have to enter is the broadcast name. Now here in this field we have to enter our broadcast title which we have used in the template. So my broadcast title is Homemade Cookies. I am going to enter the same over here. We have to enter the exact broadcast title, Homemade Cookies. Okay, the next and the very important thing of this workflow is custom parameters. Now in this field we have to provide the name of the variables which we have used along with the value, and that too in the key and value format. And a single mistake in this particular field can make the workflow stuck. So without taking any risk, I'm simply going to copy the same format given over here and I'm going to paste it in the field. And now we are going to make the necessary changes in this format only. In the place of name, we have to provide the name of our variable which we have used in the template, and in the value we have to provide the value which we want to use for the variable. So I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name. So the name of the variable is name only. I have entered it. And now here in the place of value, so we will map the name from our previous response. We have received that demo user. So whatever data we have entered manually is going to be same every time with each and every response. But the data which we have mapped, that is the name, is going to be replaced with each and every response. So we are going to send customized message to each Facebook lead. Okay. So here after entering all the details, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And we can find that we have received the response, and in the response we have also received the ID of the contact, and this means that the WhatsApp message has been sent on the number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check on WhatsApp, And yes, here we can find that we have received the WhatsApp message on the number which we have mapped from Homemade Cookies. Hello demo user, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. This Christmas, enjoy 60% off on special homemade cookies. Apply code Christmas20 for extra 20% off. Thank you. The same message which we have entered in the template. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads, and in action, we have taken Wati, through which we want to send the WhatsApp template message. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads by submitting the form which we have created for our cookie business, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using that same response, automatically a message will be sent on WhatsApp to that same lead. Here I have used Wati. In place of Wati, you can also take any other application to send WhatsApp template messages such as Interact or AI Sensei. Now, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this is going to help you to automatically connect with your Facebook leads for your cookie business, and you can inform them about the discount offers you want to provide them. Even you can send them the product catalogs, and you can very easily connect with your Facebook leads without any efforts by sending them WhatsApp messages automatically. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.